Oke, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Irfan Sautama dari program studi Teknologi Rekayasa Internet kelas 5B. Oke, jadi di sini saya akan membuat video hands-on dari mata kuliah keamanan cyber itu dengan mengerjakan lab 3.4.3, Lab Investigate Vulnerability Information Source. Oke. Jadi objektif di sini itu part 1 kita akan menginvestigasi common vulnerabilities and exposure atau CVE. Kemudian yang part kedua kita akan explore common weakness enumeration atau CWES. Kemudian part 3 kita akan menginvestigasi National Institute of Standard and Technology NIST vulnerability resource. Kemudian yang part 4 kita akan meresearch vulnerability in the common vulnerability scoring system atau CVSS. Oke. Required resource di sini hanya komputer with internet connection. Seperti kita tidak akan menggunakan kali seperti laptop sebelumnya. Oke, kita akan langsung saja mengerjakan. Yang pertama kita disuruh untuk menjalankan CVE website, kemudian read the overview, select about, sebentar, kita klik about, kemudian overview. Oke, view the CVE program overview video. Set ini videonya banyak ya. Review the available podcast for the detailed information that is missing of CVFA program to identify, define, and catalog publicly disclosed cybersecurity vulnerability. Who is assigned the CVI ID CNA? The second CVI vendor can become CNA. What are two main goals of a program? To scale the program, untuk menskalakan program for broader adoption and coverage, and memproduksi more CVE record faster, close to real time, hampir mendekati real time ya. Kemudian MITRE corporation with what is operation the CVE itu MITRE corporation with funding from the US Department of Homeland Security atau DHS and the Cyber Security and Infrastructure Security Agency CISA. Kemudian Vulnerability Management Component VMC. Okay, use the CVE program to gather information about vulnerability in an earlier lab. You scan a target's system for vulnerability. The list of vulnerability found the return vulnerability. Ini pada sebelumnya ya. CVA ini termention pada lab sebelumnya. Enter the CVA in the search. Oke, kita akan cari ini. Kita enter. What version of OpenSH are subject to this variability? 6.2. Can tutorial throw 8 before. Okay. When was this CVLS update? Showing the mana sih? Show more. The result showing the old. Mana? Kita buka. Update-nya 23 12 26. Terus update-nya 23 12 2023 Februari. Sini update-nya terakhir tanggal 12. Iya nggak sih? Atau salah? So more. So 5 one of the result published update 2024 ini update 2023 tapi sini 2023 Februari. At the bottom of the page click kita chat ini kan. To view additional information about the CVA from the next national. What is the CVA separatist kali di What is CVA 3 titik severity score? Gimana dia? Learn more. Example. Default product status 7.0 high. At the bottom of the page, click to view additional information about the CV from the national database. Kan kita disuruh klik ini kan. Selanjutnya katanya di belakang, di bawah. Di bagian mana itu? The step A and B to review and transfer order 5 CVSA. What's the CV format in the middle attack observer? Jadi kita akan lakukan hal yang serupa pada CVA lainnya. Kita cari ini. Di sini kita klik last update 2021, publisher 2020. Balik lagi. Dan yang ketiga kita cek VSA. Nah, ini terbaru ya, update 2025 dia. Apa SSH 7.7 drop 7.9 N8 XMSS key program update. Kita cari lagi yang keempat. Last update-nya 2022 bulan 12 tanggal 13 menggunakan OpenSSH 7.9. Ini update CVE program 2024 804 ya. Lanjutnya ini kita cek. In OpenSSH 2 display output from the server Malaysia server. Last update 2024 842. Kita cek yang terakhir. Last update-nya 2024 804, kemudian publish-nya 2019 bulan 1 menggunakan OpenSSH 7.9. What is the idea associated with this CVA 22? On the CVA enter di find. Ini kita akan coba buka, kemudian kita klik. Oke, di sini kita buka yang 611. Kemudian on the NVD page for the sini scroll down to weakness enumeration. Mana nih? CWE 22 rekan di tulis in part 2. What CWE are associated with each of the other 5 CVSA? Explore common weakness enumeration CWE. Learn the CWE. Explore the CWE by selecting about support CWE. Explore the CWE program in the menu. Oke, balik lagi ke overview, kemudian gitu. What is the goal of CWE? Learn about CWE goals. Knowing the weakness to stop an ability to decide education and differ. What is different between CWE? Specific. Jadi CFA itu lebih mengidentifikasi spesifik kerentanan. Kemudian untuk CWE classify and describe type of tipe dari kelemahan that may lead to vulnerability atau kerentanan. ID record form 1, enter the 2 ID lookup. Oke, di sini kita enter ID lookup 22. Oke. Then what is this title of CWE? Imperial limitation of a path name to a restricted directory, path transversal. Then scroll to the available information about the CWE, repeat the step C, look at the remaining CID that record in. Oke, kita coba. Oke, CWE ya, CWE 203 itu observable discrepancy nama. Dan yang 190 kita cek ID lookup. Oke, integer overflow or wrap around. The product is calculated that can produce an integer overflow or wrap around when the logic assumes that the result value will always be larger than the original value. This occurs when an integer value is incremented to a value that is too large to store in the associate representation when this the value may be. Oke, selanjutnya 116 kita cek. Oke, jadi CWE 116 ini namanya improper encoding or escaping of output. The product prepare a structured message from communication with another component, but encoding or escaping of the data is either missing or done incorrectly. As a result, the intended structure of the message is not preserved. Dan yang terakhir, 838. Oke, nama dari CWE-nya adalah inappropriate encoding for output context. Itu the product use a specific and encoding when generating output to a downstream component, but the specified encoding is not the same as the encoding that is expected by the downstream component. Okay. What is the goals of CWE? Apa nih? Explore the CWE Mitre. Oh, ini yang tadi ya. Oke, Oke, jadi lanjut ke NIST. Klik about, mana? Klik about NIST. Mana nih? About NIST, kemudian about us. Okay, what is the mission of NIST? Mission to promote U.S. innovation and industrial competitiveness by advancing measurement science, standard, and technology in ways that enhance economy, security, and improve our quality of life. Okay, explore the vulnerable database NVIDIA, return the initial homepage dan topics information technology. Oke, kita balik ke sini, kemudian itu tadi sampai select the topics information technology topics. Mana nih topik? Topics. Cyber topics. Information technology. Oke. Select national vulnerable database. National vulnerable database, kemudian klik, aduh, apa ini? Oke, kemudian klik kan national favorite in the feature content list, klik general. To view and review general information about the NVIDIA. What is the relationship between the government and NVIDIA performance? Yeah. The NVIDIA perform analysis on CVA that provides NVIDIA sub analysis CVA and provide additional detail. Expand general NVIDIA dashboard. How many CVA are contained in the NVIDIA? Total. And how many CVA? 300. Wah, banyak ya. At the time of this writing. Oke, jadi saat lab ini dibuat dia masih 200-an ya, sekarang udah 300-an. What is the most recent scored vulnerability and what is the CVSA rating? Ratingnya CV the most recent scored vulnerability and what is the CVSA rating? Modified. Wish. CVSSA 2025 10 bla bla. Seperti ratingnya oke. Oh jadi ini skornya ini ya yang paling atas ya, publish CFC 2005 52161. Kemudian CVSS ratingnya belum kelihatan. Dan lanjut ke sini. Kemudian vulnerable metrics. What method is used to qualitatively measure the severity of vulnerability? CVSS. Specific CVSS information. How many separate rating does CVSS have today? Rating critical ini ya. Ini kan jawabannya. 5. Oh ya ya. Oh. Ini ya. Ini non low, they are non low, medium, high, critical. Oke, kemudian kita lanjut ke FastORG.cvss, refer information on the CVSS. Oke, jadi missionnya the common vulnerability scoring system CVSS provide a way to capture the principal characteristic of vulnerability and produce a numerical score reflecting its severity. The numerical score can then be translated into a qualitative representation such as low, medium, high, and critical to help organizations properly assess and prioritize their vulnerability management process. Okay. Kemudian investigate rating by click specific document. Klik the left menu. Okay, what are the 3 metrics rating? Okay, metrics. Metric. Base metric, kemudian impact metric, temporary impact metric, dan threat metric, environment metric, supplemental metric. How many metrics compose the base metric group of the attack vendor? How many metric are the base? Oke, di sini ada attack vector, attack complexity atau AC, attack recruitment, privilege required, kemudian user interaction. Oke, itu saja. Dan what base score calculated to base score? Repeat step 1 before for the order. Oke, jadi mungkin itu saja ya untuk hands on lab 3.4.3 tentang investigasi vulnerability information short. Mungkin apabila ada salah kata saya mohon maaf. Apabila tetap hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.